Mō te ngutungutu ahi, mō te kutukutu ahi rāne.
Mō te kutukutu ahi.
Someone who talks a load of rubbish.
Load of rubbish.
Yeah, I can still remember a lot of people at school that were like this.
Yeah.
There's this particular person, I won't mention any names, but at a particular school, there was a fella who was renowned for just talking rubbish, and I remember this one time, he literally said this. You know how a water falls?
Yeah.
Well, I've seen a water rise.
That's what they said.
That's what they said. Reira, ko tērā momo tangata ne, just kōrero rāpehi.
Au e, kei tuo tā waiwau.
Kei tuo tā waiwau, ai.
What about like if someone's just waffling unintentionally? Or was it always with the intention that they're talking teko?
Yeah, usually talking teko. So hei tauira, you could just say something like, mō te kutukutu ahi, kāore he painga i a koe.
Yeah. What's mō te in this context?
O heki wā hoki tērā. Well, mō te something, kāore he painga i a koe. So you just insert what they're either good or not so good at. In terms of like, mō te rūkahu, kāore he painga i a koe. You're the bee's knees at lying.
Ai.
Ne, ahua pērā te wairua.
Tunu kai, kāore he painga.
Hai hoki tēnā?
Nah.
Yeah, hai. Kāore he painga i a koe, kiri. Ai.